Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your host device must have an active internet source and enough power. Once confirmed, open Settings and locate Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Turn it on immediately and create a clear SSID and a strong password. This is how devices find and join you. Make sure to select 4 GHz for wider compatibility or 5 GHz for speed if the option exists. This gets the hotspot broadcasting and ready for the next connection steps. Now connect client devices. On each device, enable Wi-Fi and pick your hotspot SSID from the list. Enter the password you set. Once connected, verify internet access by loading a web page. Back on the host, open hotspot settings to name allowed devices, enable MAC filtering or a device whitelist if you want control, and set a data limit or per device speed cap. Make sure to disable auto join on untrusted devices, and remember to monitor data usage to avoid surprises. Finish by testing. Open several sites or run a quick speed check to confirm throughput and stability. Once satisfied, enable sleep timeout or remember to turn the hotspot off when not needed to save battery and data. If a client can't connect, first toggle the hotspot off and back on, then restart the client device. Often this clears IP, DNS, or authentication glitches. If problems continue, change the hotspot band or password, then reconnect clients. This simple reset usually solves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.